Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to get sign out of Gmail. So first of all we will open the Google folder and we will see here different tools of Google including the Gmail. So we will open Gmail here and press the icon, not this icon but the three lines icon here on the left side. We just press these three lines and go down to setting. Here this is the setting button. I just press the setting button and I will find different accounts by which I have assigned in myself. So I want to get sign out of this account Syndiculture 2, so I just press it and will now press on these three dots on the right side. So just press these three dots and you will find two options: manage accounts and help and feedback. So I open the manage accounts. So here you will find the different lines or menu. Like the main menu is the users and accounts, and the sub menus are multi users, auto sync data, that is on. So I just place the below the auto sync data an icon of G, the Google. I just press the Google. So press Google and find again three emails. So I have to get sign out of this Gmail, the last one Gmail account. So I press the last one Gmail account and find this menu. So again on the right side, if you will see, there are two dots in shape of colon. So I press this two dots in shape of colon and will find two things: sync now or remove account. So remove account means get sign out of this account. So I press this remove account and find here a notification that confirms that I'm sure to get sign out of this account. So definitely I'm sure and you will have to sure. So I just press this remove account, means get sign out of this account. So press remove account and now you will see that this account is removed. Before this there were three accounts, but now there are two accounts, and the account which was I wanted to get sign out, so that is sign out. Take care. Hope you got this tutorial in an easy way. Take care.